Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to turn off keyboard click sound on your Mac. So if your Mac makes click sound while typing, then to completely turn this off, just click on Apple logo at top left corner of the screen and then click on System Settings option. Now on the Settings application within the left side panel, scroll down and click on Sound option. And here under sound effects section, just turn off the toggle right to play user interface sound effects. If you also hear sound while adjusting the volume, then you can turn off play feedback when volume is changed as well. So if this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.